tere, täna jälle mina siin jätkame FIFA 22 karjäärimoodi. Ning liigamängud siin on praegu suhteliselt suva, aga on kaks olulist asja. Karika finaal ja Brugega mäng Champions League'is. Need kaks on vaja igal juhul võita. Muidu on halvasti. Kohe väga halvasti. See tuleb võtta, tema ei ole vaja võtta, kasutu tüüp, kasutu. Nii. Okei, see võib päris hea mängi olla. Või pigem on. Kaks päris head mängit järjest. Okei, mulle nagu väga sobib. Väravahtu mul on. Nii. Jaan Käbin ja Rolli Sepp. Käbin ja Sepp. No jaa. Kuuskümmend 5 reetib pingile kindlasti hea täiendus. Sest mul praegu on siin Baskotši. Tema asemel esiteks mitmekülgsem. Teiseks noorem, seetõttu parem potentsiaaliga mängija. Igal juhul kasulik lüke. Aga peaks kokku panema jälle normaalse skoodi nii-öelda. Nii. Ja Lepa asemel tema. Ja vist ongi nüüd normaalne skood. Enam-vähem. Liigas, midagi kaalul ei ole. Et las nad mängivad. 3-1 võit. Ilus. Kuigi Sapinen oli penaltimine, mis on väga temalik. Nii. See on vist viimane liigamäng. Ja vahe on juba järgmistega. Praegu siis 28 punkti. Siit võib suureneda veel. Ja jah, siit tuli ka võit, need suhteliselt ulme tulemus. Kas ma sain just liiga võidu eest 120 000 või? 120 000. Liiga võidu eest. See on suht masendav. Nagu ka ütleme ausalt, mu viimased ise mängitud mängud on suhteliselt masendavad olnud, aga nüüd Club Brugge vastu on lihtsalt tuleb võit ära võtta. Ja loota, et Liverpool võidab samal ajal, mitte Liverpool, vabandust, Juventus võidab samal ajal Liverpooli. Christopher Salazar. Okei, sul on suhteliselt decent isegi. Et noh, ma saan isegi mingil määral aru, miks ta nagu kurdab. Ta ütleb, et ta unistas sellest. Kas ta unistas sellest, et ta välja pressib?
Okay guys, we'll be wrapping up.
Loodetavasti see mäng läheb parem kui eelmine video läksid mängud. On aeg minna ja mängida. Tõenäoliselt LRT kaudu. Tuleb proovida nende vastu.
They know what's needed. A win in this game and a favourable result elsewhere will lift them into the knockout stages. Here on EA TV. Welcome on a wet night for all concerned. It's been raining cats and dogs here. I'm Derek Ray, and sitting next to me with his tactics charts at the ready is Stuart Robson. And we're very much looking forward to bringing you action from the champ. Well, good clean catch by the keeper.
Nii, ette. Sest kõik all siin olid kinni. Nii. Ta ei jõudnud kahjuks sööta ära anda, mis on millest on tõsiselt kahju.
And Lopez. Skov Olsen. And options in the centre. And that pass could be troublesome. And a goal! That is a
Oi.
perfect way.
Lihtsalt ei saanud praegu välja kinni.
And they get the ball rolling again. Football friends know they have work to do. Van Aken. It looks promising. Dangerous looking attack. Possession
Nii.
on. And a long way out here. Well, we gave it the big build-up, but he didn't quite deliver on his promise.
Mitte sinna.
Well, managers are often shy in talking about these things, but let's give him credit. 100 career wins under his belt.
Yes, Derek, it's a great achievement for him, but he won't be thinking about that. He needs another victory today just to keep everything ticking over.
Well, couldn't quite find his teammate. Regained possession. Tremendous ball
Nii.
through. Not an especially strong challenge.
Kuhu see sööt? Nagu... Jaa.
Van Aken. And fed forwards. The attack carried
Väga oluline save. Või noh, tackle. Nii. Äärele. Keskele.
incisive pass. Can he put it away?
1-1. Väga kriitiline vära praegu. Sest siit mängust tõesti on vaja võitu. Midagi pole teha, on vaja.
One goal apiece here. Matt Reitz. Skov Olsen. It's with Lopez. Okereke. Reitz. Well, he's the player many people have focused on in the build-up to today's match. The rumours have been confirmed. He has elected to end his
Big
illustrious...
moment here, Derek.
Brilliant crisp...
Tugevamalt, Valak oli tugevamalt. See oli praegu väga siuke, noh,
That's a poor effort. Well, it was a close
kurb, et nõrgaks jäi, ütleme siuke pall. Hooga tuli praegu väga lootustandav oli küll.
Van Aken. Lopez.
Võtta kinni nüüd. Nii.
Attack showed promise, but easy work for the keeper in the end. Well, that is how to run at defenders. And a no-nonsense clearance. Sergio Alvarez.
Okei, see praegu mõttetu risk.
Van Aken.
Õnneks saigi palli tagasi.
Lopez now. Excellent use of the ball as they make
Nii.
their way forward.
Plussi käes.
Controlled possession, as you can see, but without really creating too many chances. Which, when you look at the players out on the pitch, it's really disappointing. They need to play with far more urgency to win this game.
Van Aken. Matrix. Okereke. And now Lopez. Working away patiently. Looking
Oi.
for an opening.
See on kollase
He
koht.
felt he had to blow the whistle.
Ei ole väga hea.
Into the box it goes. Oh, breezing past him.
Lait. Nii. Olemas. 2-1. Olukord läks kohe paremaks. See nüüd hetkeseis mulle sobib. Muidugi ma tahan jah kindlamaks seda teha, aga hetkeseis mulle sobib. Ma oleks pidanud vaatama, mis samale teises mängus seis on, aga juba ei teinud.
And the second half of this Champions League group stage meeting is underway. Sergio Alvarez. Skov Olsen. It's with Lopez. Okereke. Oh, good work to deny the
Ma jätsin praegu väga vabaks, aga õnneks ta ei kasutud ära.
Van Aken. Textbook defending inside the box. Moving the ball forward with purpose.
Mis asi see oli? Ja ei kasuta ära.
Well, a corner kick it is. What can they do with this one? As they look for inspiration. Trying to deliver it accurately. Well, not cleared away completely.
Kusjuures siin oli praegu võimalus, mida ma ei näinud osa, kui ma tegelikult, ma olen seda Sapineni, kes oli selectitud, et ära kasutada seda võimalust.
Gives it a go. And he's outdone himself. Wonderful save there. Can someone get on the end of this?
Välja.
And a struggle to get it
Mitte
away
sinna
properly.
muidu, aga okei.
Could be. Oh, terrific save.
Uskumatu,
That's a top-class save.
kuidas ta nagu mängus hoiab praegu tiimi.
Short corner taken. Excellent refereeing. Advantage in operation. Putting his body on the line.
Ette. Nii.
Bodies forward and the break looks on. They need to get bodies back. Opportunity.
Olemas. 3-1. Ei mingit riske. Olemas. Ja nüüd tuleb vaadata teie grupp. Liverpool võitis. Jama. Ma lootsin, et läheb teisiti, aga mis teha? Sellegipoolest, kõik on minu kätes praegu. Nii. Aga nüüd. Karika finaal. Igal juhul mul on vaja seda võitu.
Thank you all for joining us. We'll start taking questions now. That's all the time we have for today.
siin ei saa mingid riski võtta, et simuleerida. Siin tuleb ise ära mängida.
Well, no doubt about it, the nerves have been jangling in the last few days, but very soon the wait will be over. I'm Derek Ray, joined by Stuart Robson in the commentary box, and we're just seconds away from kick-off in what promises to be a thrilling finale. It's football friends, and they take on Bohemians.
Well, it's been a long journey for both
Okay.
teams, Derek. It's not been easy, but these players are 90 minutes away from making history for themselves. No doubt both managers will have set out their game plans and made sure every player knows exactly what their roles are. What a game we have in store for us.
And the keeper did more than enough.
Juba nende rünnak. Siuke lubav. See ei tõota head. Välja. Ette. Igaks juhuks, sest no kass vist liiga täis mul endal.
Really good challenge. He's given it straight to the opposition. They've lost it. Decent position. Well, that is how to run at defenders. Can they put it away? The referee is...
Praegu ulmine kaitsetöö.
Who can he pick out? And still dangerous. He takes aim. No degree of difficulty at all for the keeper.
Nii.
Useful looking ball.
Tundus, et Sapin oli vist sulus.
And he takes it on. Keeper dealt with it.
Kas ma uskusin, et tuleb ära? Ei. Aga ma arvasin, et mul ei ole parem proovida. Ja mida ta nüüd?
And the flag was up in good time. It's offside.
Well, he should have realised that was going to be offside. That's a poor decision to play that pass.
Praegu oli tegelikult väga hea löögi koht, aga...
Into the advanced position. But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Oh, what an opportunity. Great defending.
Nii. Sapinen. Kätte. Otse kätte.
Well, that's a good save, but really he should have scored from there. That's a big chance. Well, you sense it's just a matter of time before they do score, Derek. They've been piling on the pressure now and really should be ahead in this one.
Simple catch, really.
Nii.
It's looking promising.
Sapinen.
Well, that's really sound goalkeeping, not letting the opposition have any scraps.
See oli praegu suht arusaadav isegi nagu, et ära võttis.
Not the result from the set piece they were looking for. Well, when you sit off like this, you invite pressure. Well, it leads to the goal that puts them ahead.
Ja 1-0 on olemas.
First to score in this final. And it could be...
Lamm. Tead, ma pole suhteliselt ammu nagu minu, noh, esimest, mis on mänginud, skoorinud. Aga väga olulise koha peal praegu skoorib.
It's a really emphatic finish, which gives the keeper no chance.
Well, the ball is moving once more. How important will that opening goal prove to be? Alert defending.
Okei. Out, noh. Ei ole just fänn, et see nii läks, aga see on fine nagu.
And options in the centre. Fine tackle there to prevent the chance. Well, not making life difficult for the keeper at all. A wide attempt.
Nii, siit natukenegi eemale.
In with a chance.
Nii. 2-0. No, nüüd on kõik trumbid minu käes. Et see karikas pea kohale tõsta. Nii. See vist oli sulus. Ei olnud, okei. 3-0. No nüüd on see juba päris lubav. Kuna nagu noh, nüüd on ikkagi väga hästi juba. Aga see ei tähenda, et ma midagi noh, kaitsumaks muudaks väga palju.
The action continues and football friends are accelerating away from their opponents here. Getting forward. But quick thinking defensively. One minute of stoppage time has been added on.
Ei lase siin lõpus nüüd mingit eelasärvi, aga pooleks 3-0. Ja ma ei pannud õiget kaptenit paika. Sest noh, olgem ausalt, Sepp. Lihtsalt nagu, noh, kui on karikas mida tõsta, siis senise põhjal küll peab olema see Sepp, kes seda tõstab tegelikult. Vähemalt ta vääriks seda küll. 4-0. No nii. No nii metsa mul edasi ka ei lähe. See peaks tehtud olema.
Well, it has been one-sided, but they deserve the plaudits for the fact that they've kept going and going. Quick thinking to dispossess his opponent. Chance to play it in. No, not the best challenge. And they couldn't take advantage of the opportunity. Well, that's not textbook defending. Well, he hit
Oi.
it with authority.
Väga mööda. Aga noh, hat-trick on kirjas. Nüüd võib.
And a fine tackle.
Oi.
Foul it is then.
Okei, kollane, aus.
Card, it's going to
See oli tõesti väga loll suke, ei kuskilt tuleb viga, et noh. Kollane on suhteliselt aus tulemus. Nii.
And continues his run.
Ja olemas. 5-0. 30 minutit mängida, 35 ütleme. Noh, räägis nagu enti. 33 pluss lisa. No, see on olemas. See on
My
olemas.
goodness, it's so one-sided. 5-0 in this match. Well, that's how to hit them. Not quite accurate enough, though. Minutes left for
Nii.
play.
Pärn. Taipasin natuke liiga hilja nagu pärast seda, kui ma nupu vajutanud, kui lähedal ma tegelikult väravale olin. Sealt oleks nüüd ühemõtteliselt ikkagi lüüa. Aga jäi, ma märkasin seda pärast seda, kui ma juba söödu nupu vajutanud.
Effective challenge. Well, the counter chance looks very real. Well, that break looked so promising, but nothing coming from it. And he's outdone it. Oh, wonderful save.
Well, he reacts so quickly there. That's a great save.
Okei, lihtsalt viga ilma kaarita. Okei. Mulle see mis sobib, kell tiksub, mulle sobib. Ei. Okei, tõrjub ära, ilus.
He's driven in the corner. And how
Ilus save.
Well, that's just exceptional. He reacted so quickly there.
Who's going to get on the end of it?
Välja, nii.
Well, timed his challenge magnificently. Giving the ball away. That's how to blunt the edge of the opposing attack. An alert
Okei, lõigeti sööt läbi. Praegu on suht fine nagu.
remaining. An authoritative challenge. Could be a chance to break here. But a good
Nõrgaks
piece
ei
of
sööt.
defending to bring it to an end.
Ja midagi pole teha.
Oh, a perfectly timed pass. It was a menacing
Hea
attack,
tackle.
tidied up.
Väga hea tackle.
Decent position. That's a great stop.
Well, his reflexes are so good.
Nii. Teeme vastused ära. Lepp las tahab praegu olla. Saarlami asemele igaks juhuks. Benitez Sappenini asemele suht väsinud. Jätame nii.
There. That's a fantastic stop.
And the referee has given them a corner. Well, not quite the ideal delivery. And they need to get tighter here.
Enamus rünnakut tuli nii hästi praegu.
He's got the right idea with that pass. Well, it all counts for naught. Not to be advised giving the ball away there. It might be. And the
Poist.
pass denied him.
Kurb.
Just couldn't get it through. Very effective challenge put in.
Tahaks selle mängu XG-sid näha. Sest tal peaks XG-d olema. Nii. Aga nüüd on aeg vaadata, kuidas tõstetakse Iiri karikat.
A story of one side celebrating and the other distraught. Memories are being made.
Well, just look at those scenes down there, Derek. What a contrast in emotions. Brilliant for the winners, despair for the losers. But overall, the right team won today.
Yeah, you can see what it means to this tight-knit team. Real solidarity.
See võiks ju natuke kindlamaks teha mu töö kohta. Sest noh, 70 kandis see confidence rating see praegu kõigub.
Yes, a special moment in the career of any footballer. And now for the trophy lift itself.
Mets tõstab. Okei. I mean, see on fair enam-vähem.
Well, you can just see what it means to those players and the manager. That's fantastic stuff.
There's always the element of chance in a cup competition. But my goodness, they've taken the rough with the smooth. And now they savour the moment.
Selles mõttes, et jah, see on väga ilus karikas.
Full marks to the entire...
Aga nüüd vaatame korra statistikat, kui saab, ei saab vist. Facts, nii, kas nii XG-d näitab. Seda tahaks näha. Expected goals 5,3, 3,4. Jälle lihtsalt, noh, super töö ära heilt ühesõnaga. No siin võime intervjuu anda küll. Nii.
Just a couple of questions for you. Thank you for your time.
See oli ilus karikavõit. Ja vaatame, palju otsustav mänguni aega on. Aga teate mis? Ma arvan, ma teen sellega kohe ilusti otsa ära. Viigist piisab. Aga ma igal juhul lähen, ma täiesti kindlasti lähen võidu järgi. Või et üritame seda nii. Äkki tuleb siit abiväge? Miljoni tüüp. No, sainime ikka. Nii. Siit tuleb ka äkki keegi. Hea. Okei, see on nii potentsiaal. Kuni 81-63 reiting juba olemas. Mul on senior squad full. See on suhteliselt ulme nagu. Ma sinna olen jõudnud. Seda oleks vaja võtta. Tiimi. Tema oleks olla. Kindlasti väärt, miljoni väärt ka. Kaks kohta vaja juurde teha. Ja mis on jama, see ma ei saa promotida. Ma saan ainult lahtlast. Aga ikkagi okei, ma siis sain jõuga ruumi. Youth, keegi on unsettled. Salassar. See on see, kelle ma minu meelest tegelesin juba. Aga nüüd siis otsustav mäng Liverpooli.
Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you. Can we take your seats and we'll start getting the questions in.
Räägime need paar sõna juttu ära.
That's all we've got time for today.
Igal juhul ma pean ise mänge minema, simuleerimine oleks... see on peaaegu kindel kaotus. Oleks simuleerida.
They know what's at stake. Just a point required to guarantee their passage through to the knockout stages. We'll have it live on EA TV. Well, the stage is truly set for what should be a terrific night of football here at Anfield. I'm Derek Ray.
Hui, väga kiiresti liigub kuidagi. Ilus. Otsustav siuke täkli. Nii. Ääret ruumi on. Natuke kehv sööt. Aga ei kasuta võimalust. Sellegipoolest hea võimalus praegu juba. Võib rahule jääda.
Well, a time for cool heads.
Palun pilgu, okei. Vist ei saanud kaarti isegi. Ma ei saanud kaarti, okei. Siis ma pean rahul isegi olema, sest no see oli... Ma ise oleks kollaseid küll andnud.
Alisson begins in goal. Trent Alexander-Arnold plays with Andrew Robertson in the wide defensive areas. Mohamed Salah plays with Sadio Mane out wide. And they line up with just the one striker looking to do a bit of damage. Well, he likes to run at them.
Nii.
Giving it a try. Fantastic reflex action. Can someone get on the end of this? Making sure nothing came of it.
Nii.
Could be threatening.
1-0.
And that could be the goal that allows
Väga kriitiline süke värav. Sappinen lõpuks õigustab oma väljakule panekut peale karikasse veel nagu.
And Liverpool get the ball moving again, looking to find a reply to that setback. Wonderful challenge.
Väljas, no mis teha? Välja, välja.
Impending danger. Oh, is he going to be punished here? Opportunity. Thwarting him. And Mohamed Salah now.
Siit ette.
Jota. Oh, brilliant.
Suurepärane save.
So the corner played into the box.
Ei.
Liverpool, who are now on level terms. So a level contest, 1-1. And they successfully got past him. And a chance for them to nudge in front.
Ja olemas.
In it goes. A goal and one.
Nad võisid saada viiki, aga Sappinen seekord teeb oma töö ilusti ära.
Not what Liverpool wanted, the concession of a goal. But can they come up with a coherent reply? Diogo Jota. And Soler. Patient build-up at the moment. Soler. Fabinho. Oh, good-looking run.
Praegu väga olnud äkki palju vikat ette. Okei. Vasta süke peale lõks sobib väga. Ilus. Ilus. Ja kindla peale ära. Ja 3-1. Hätrik ka, see on väga tore. Aga just see, et 3-1. No, muidugi asi ei ole veel kindel. Aga nüüd on seis ikkagi juba natuke kindlam. Natuke nüüd juba ikkagi eksimisruumi. Nüüd sööda. Ei! Sai varakult antud see korraldus, et sööda, aga olukorraks hoopis teist edasi, siis tahaks seda paar sammu teha ja lüüa.
Well, on the cusp of the half-time interval, and I think it's fair to say they're enjoying this away day. Stuart, what have you made of what you've seen?
Well, they've played some really good football up to now. In particular, the way they've got it into their front players has been excellent. I've also liked the movement of the strikers. They just now need to take this forward into the second half.
Salah. Nicely saved.
Hea save.
And over it comes. Well cleared away.
Ilus ettelüke.
Soler. Now this could really lift spirits. Oh, incredible save, and he snuffed out any sign of danger. Well, he's given us away. Well, a decent position for Liverpool to be in. And a body in the way.
Nii.
And could face difficulties here.
See pall pidi pikalt ette minema, aga okei.
Mohamed Salah now could reduce the deficit.
Ilus, nii, ette, kindla peale ette ära. Tiksutame poole lõpuni. Praegu on ikka survele jäänud järjest.
There will be 1 minute added on at the end. Salah.
Ja ette. Okei, ei on vaja siia ette mängida. Sobib. Nii.
So the ball rolling once more, and it was a delightful first half showing from Football Friends. Can he put it in?
Ai. Niimoodi vabalt see löögile kahjuks ära ei pandud. See oleks mängu nagu, noh, kindlalt ära lõpetanud. Aga kahjuks ei tulnud seda.
Canales. And this is Diogo Jota now. And Liverpool might be able to cash in.
Nii.
Mane, not quite accurate enough. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Will they profit from this situation?
Nii.
Really
Ai.
vital interception here.
Hea kaitse praegu vastaselt. Väga hea kaitse vastaselt ütleks isegi. Sest see slide tackle oli ikka praegu päris
Diogo Jota.
lihtsalt hea või perfektne.
Now Canales. Mane. Mane. And a decent delivery.
Nii.
And
Ei.
cannot declare this contest over.
Sappinen ei löömutanud ära, võib praegu kummitama tulla.
Well underway again here, and Liverpool
Nii.
now find themselves within touching distance.
No ühe laskmine nüüd ei oleks katastroof, aga
Diogo Jota.
ei tohi lasta.
This might be ideal for the counter.
Nii.
Defenders need to cover. Will it be? He had to react.
Pikaks jäi natuke ette. Või noh, jalga.
Diogo Jota. Now Canales. Useful looking.
Ei.
Well, fantastic reflex action from the goalkeeper. Well, lovely work to get past his man. And a tidy challenge.
Ettepoole. Yes.
And foul it
Minu
is.
pall.
They decided that now is the time to go to the bench.
As you can see, the visitors have had much less of the ball, but their attacking play has been really incisive. It's been
Oh, Stewart, they must score.
Ui.
Great goalkeeping.
Väga hea võimalus oli praegu, aga
He was so alert there.
kahjuks Pärnits kasutamata. Ja nüüd! Joone pealt tõi ära. Joone pealt tõi ära.
Opportunity for Football Friends to make it look even better. Corner. Substitution then. Let's see how it affects the match. Clears it away. Fabinho. It's with De Thomas. Encouraging move from Liverpool.
Väga oluline kaitse liigub. No kaitses ära võtmine praegu. Kui nüüd veel üks süük otsa teha.
Fruitful looking at
Väravat teeb.
a strong hand on the ball.
Hästi natuke oleks võinud ainult teistpidi minna ja punane ja penalti.
It's opening up for them. No way through. Well, not
Nii.
long to go, and given
Ja
that they're
nüüd.
winning, they know full well they have their ticket in hand for the knockout stages.
Well, they've played well today, haven't they? It's
Oh,
been
hang on, Stewart, look at this.
Ei löö ära.
Truth be told, he
Kahju,
made it
väga
really
kahju.
straightforward for the keeper.
Well, he knows it. That is a real waste of a great opportunity. Well, what a great save that was to keep them in this. May just be
Nii.
the impetus they need, as they certainly haven't been at their best today.
Ja ette.
Were likely to be
Survelt.
in
Ei!
trouble. Oh, the lead has evaporated.
See oli tõenäoliselt üks kõige ebaõnnelikumaid ära, mis ma olen kunagi lasknud. Nagu tõsiselt.
Well, here it is again. And
Nii,
that's the
okei.
perfect volley, isn't it?
Normaalne tõrje.
It's so well.
Ja niimoodi lihtsalt enda mängile selga.
again here. This has been quite the roller coaster ride.
nii, Sappinen. Ja on olemas. Ühe võib lasta, kahte ei või lasta, aastastel umbes 10 minutit mängida. Paneme lukku ära. Taba lukk ette. Okei, ründesse jätame isegi ühe mängija. Aga muidu küll totaalne tabalukk ette. Tema jääb üksinda ette. Tamm. Käidi ka ära. Kuigi tegelikult vahet ei ole, sest tema muutan küll välja. Ja tegelikult tähed pidada tagant oleks siis mõistlikum. Tema vahetus. Et see ei seiv nagu midagi või? Aga seivis ikka. Nii.
Just 10 minutes to go. Thiago. Fabinho now.
Nii. Ei, ma ei saanud palli kätte. Väga lubav olukord oli muidu juba tekkimas.
Sadio Mane now. Virgil van Dijk.
Nii. Jookse. Valakari. Ei. See siuga aga okei. Aega läks kõvasti. Raisku vastasel. Kõik on korras. Nad ei jõua kahte lüüa. Nad ei jõua kahte lüüa. Tehku mis teevad, nad ei jõua kahte lüüa. Ei. Okei, nad jõudsid ühe lüüa. Aga nüüd pall suhteliselt kiiresti läheb jälle ette sellega. Nad ei jõua lihtsalt kahte lüüa. Täpselt. Nad ei jõua enam lüüa.
The referee has decided that 2 additional minutes are in order. Over the touchline for a throw-in.
Pikk ette on olemas. Tehtud. Sellest raskest grupist sain nüüd edasi. Seega on täiesti võimalik täita see nõue, mis nad andsid, et saada veerandfinaali. Täiesti uskumatu.
Got time for a couple of questions? That's it. Thanks very much.
Aga jah, see oli tänane video. Aitäh, et vaatasite. Kohtumiseni juba järgmises. Head aega.